You love your independence, the feeling of being safe and secure in your home. But what about here? How safe is your toilet seat? One of the most disliked aspects about toilet seats is that they can loosen. And if the seat is not properly secured, the risk of an accident increases. Security is especially important for people using elevated seats and risers, where one fall can mean a person's last day at home. At BEMIS, we've earned a long-standing reputation for innovative design and manufacturing. Through research and scientific testing, we continually improve toilet seat safety and security. So what does it take to have a truly secure toilet seat? It's a matter of achieving and maintaining proper clamping force. That is, the squeeze that locks the bolt in position and holds the seat to the bowl. Too little or no clamping force and the seat will loosen with use. Too much clamping force and the ceramic may break. When looking at the elevated and riser seats in the market today, testing confirms that most are not up to the challenge. Drop-in elevated seats provide little security. Even drop-in seats with clamps fail the use test. They come with a warning not to over-tighten the knob or it will break. Risers between the seat and bowl can present their own set of problems. Because proper clamping force is not achieved or maintained, the bolts and wing nuts loosen as the seat is used. And if the package says no tools required, that's your red flag that the seat will not stay secure. Tightening by hand is not enough to properly install a toilet seat. A truly secure seat requires a system designed to use a tool for installation. The solution? Snap2Secure from BEMIS. Standard on all BEMIS Independence toilet seats, Snap2Secure is so innovative, it's patented. And here's how it works. A finned bushing conforms to the size of the mounting hole. It prevents the bolt from moving side to side. The Snap2Secure nut is made from engineering-grade materials that provide superior clamping force and will not corrode. During final tightening, the installation head snaps off when the proper clamping force is achieved. With both installation heads snapped off, your BEMIS seat is secure. Testing confirms this simple and easy-to-install system stays tight and will not loosen until you choose to change the toilet seat. When you or a loved one needs an elevated toilet seat, security should be a top priority. BEMIS, with its patented Snap2Secure system, gives you peace of mind by protecting your independent lifestyle. BEMIS Independence, redefining bathroom security.